Okay, so I have been studying anime nature for a few weeks now, and this is my progress so far. I still got a long way to go, but I'm super excited to share what I learned with you guys. Now, why am I telling you this? Some people on the Patreon have requested exclusive tutorials, and therefore I have decided to make tutorials on all the anime nature textures I figure out throughout the coming weeks. These tutorials will be specifically for those on the Golden and Diamond Spoon tier lists, and they will be uploaded every second week, inshallah. Each tutorial will come with its entire scene minus the textures, so you guys can follow along as much as you want to. But that doesn't mean I'm excluding those on YouTube. I will definitely upload some of these tutorials on YouTube in the future, inshallah. But for now, these tutorials will be exclusive content for those on the Patreon. This is just a way for me to say thanks to the ones constantly supporting me on Patreon, and I hope you all will enjoy this content. The first tutorial should be out on the Patreon as of now, so you can check it out if you want to. Thanks again, and see you all in the next tutorial. Alright, bye.